Think big and take risks. We might have heard this saying many times. This is also to come out of our comfort zone and start doing things which we feel that we are uncomfortable and also which would make us big and also give us a lot of money and give us a lot of success. So we are all afraid of taking risks. The other way is you can still think big and take calculated risks. In taking calculated risks, what we do is we analyze it some way. What are the risks we are going to undertake? How we analyze is first of all, we may check with our friends, relatives, or close acquaintances and all that whether I can take this risk. What is your experience? You can check with them and also analyze their experiences, whether it will be suitable for you to take those risks. Second is, of course, you can analyze through internet, and there are various forums like Quora and all that. You can go through them and understand, and even refer YouTube videos whether this particular activity which you are going to undertake, which should give you a lot of success, is really really risky, and whether you can really undertake those risks, because each person's risk capability is different, and hence you may not be able to take so much of risk. However, we need to take some calculated risk. That way, you can do something called even SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. This is a kind of management analysis wherein strength and weaknesses are your own internal things, whereas opportunities and threats are external factors. So, what are your strengths? You can definitely list it down, and also you can list down even your weaknesses. Like you may not be able to work more than 12 hours or 13 hours. So, these kind of listing down would help you to really analyze whether you can undertake those type of risks. Then you can also analyze the opportunities and threats. What they are purely external. Opportunities mean what does this particular new activity which you are going to venture would give you, what kind of profit or what kind of success. At the same time, you need to also analyze the threats which it is posing. Like if something is not visible externally and which may take time and which may even require a lot of investment and which is outside your budget, then you can try to cut down those kind of risks also through a SWOT analysis. First of all, you may refer to your friends or acquaintances or relatives who have undergone these kind of activities, who have undertaken this. What are their experiences? Second is refer the internet. Third is do a SWOT analysis yourself, and then you can try to arrive at a conclusion whether you can take those kind of risks. However, we need to understand that unless we take some kind of risks in our lives, we cannot achieve big success. We have seen this with many earlier big people also. They have all been undergoing very bad time. However, they kept on trying various alternatives, and finally they, reached very huge success. This can be the case with even scientists like Thomas Edison or Alexander Graham Bell, who have been great inventors. They also had undergone a lot of troubles. However, they kept persisting, they took the risks, and then finally they were able to emerge successful. So we need to always take calculated risk and then think big also if we need massive success. And for this, we also need to have massive action. That is, a great influencer, Grant Cardone, says that we need to put in 10 times the effort to reach the 10 times the success you need to achieve. So you need to put in a lot of effort and focus on putting those effort till you reach that goal. I hope I made some value in this video. Thank you.